Klarna does not have a fixed credit limit like a traditional credit card. Instead, it shows an estimated purchase power, the approximate amount you may be able to spend on your next pay later purchase. This amount is calculated in real time and can change based on your payment history, outstanding balance, credit information, and the specific store or payment option. Here's how to check your purchase power in the Klarna app. Open the Klarna app and log in. Tap your profile icon or the You or More tab. Select Purchase Power. Follow any on-screen prompts to view the estimated amount available for your next purchase. Your purchase. Power updates automatically when you make payments or new purchases. Paying on time and reducing your outstanding balance can help increase it over time. Note that the shown amount is only an estimate. Final approval is decided at checkout and may differ by retailer or payment plan. Pay in 4, pay in 30, or financing. If your purchase power shows $0, you may have reached your current estimated capacity or have overdue payments.